Hi, Selena Brantley here, Wealth Creations Network. Woke up this morning and found a message from one of my members asking how to grab the social media marketing image so that he could use it for his capture page. So I asked Larry, proud member of Wealth Creations Network, to go ahead and submit his question right here on this Wealth Creations Network channel so that we can share the answer, or I can share the answer with all of you. So if you haven't gotten your free social media guide, all you have to do is take a look at this less than 3-minute video on how to use social media marketing to promote your business. And right underneath the video there is a link, and it will take you right to your free social media guide. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that so that you can see it. And if you scroll a little ways down, you can see the image of the social media marketing guide. And it's so simple. Just right click on the image and you can copy the image. And then once you've copied it, all you need to do is go to your Paint or whatever graphic application that you have. I have Paint. Most people do have Paint if they have Microsoft. If you can't find it in your menu, just simply type in Paint in search and it should be right up at the top if it's a program. So click on that and then go to Edit and Paste, and there's your image. You want to save it in a JPEG, and it is a JPEG file. So what you want to do is make sure that you save it to where you can easily find it, and the best way to do that is on your desktop, or for me anyway, because my desktop is so clean. And then title it, and I'm just going to title it Social Media Guide and save it onto my desktop. Okay, and I'll get out of this and go right to my desktop, and there it is. When you're needing to load your image, then all you have to do is go back to your file, find it on your desktop, and your image will appear. It's as simple as that. So hopefully this tip has been very helpful. Of course, you can always come to this YouTube channel if you have any questions, and I'll do the best that I can to make a quick video, not only to explain it, but to show you how to complete a project that you're wanting to do. Once again, my name is Selena Brantley. I'm CEO and founder of Wealth Creations Network, your zero out-of-pocket way to building your business and creating wealth online.